हाय फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज आर्किटेक्ट सारिका फ्रॉम एसके डिजाइन स्टूडियो। वंस अगेन आप सभी का हमारे आज के एपिसोड में स्वागत है। सो टुडेज एपिसोड इज मेनली अबाउट लग्जरी मटेरियल। वी आर स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ 2 BHK flat at Hiranandani Estate. Now, why I am calling this as a luxury flat or luxury design? Because we have used lots of luxury materials here, like onyx, Italian marble, veneer, fluted panels. So today mainly we are going to talk about onyx and open kitchen. So we are going to talk about what is the use of onyx, where we should use onyx, the price range, any alternative for onyx, and also about an open kitchen. Let's go inside. So friends, after entering here, this is the layout of the flat. This is a TV unit. It's not a very big flat, it's a small flat. The living room is also not very big. This is a TV unit. Here, this is a mandir area. There is going to be a glass here to divide the mandir area. Now this particular flat is based on totally on Vastu. So whatever design is done, mainly Vastu component is considered here. This area here, this is the L-shaped sofa. The L-shaped sofa is going to come here like this. This is a Italian marble. Now we are going to talk about this onyx material. Onyx जो है इसकी खास बात ये है कि it can be lit from inside. So it's a very translucent material. So if you put any light from inside, it is going to get reflected outside. Now here we have used this onyx on the TV unit. ऑनिक्स अगर आप यूज कर रहे हो और उसके पीछे कहीं पे आप लाइट दे रहे हो तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि वो लाइट को आपको एक्सेस देना पड़ेगा फॉर सर्विसिंग। नाउ इन दिस पर्टिकुलर area, this particular TV unit, you must be wondering where is the access for the servicing of the light. This onyx is placed 9 inches from ahead of the main wall. और ये main wall पे यहाँ पे पीछे there are lights. Just a sec. Yeah. So this is how it is going to look when it gets totally lighted. So यहाँ पे इसके पीछे हमने सारे lights दिए हैं, but you have to remember that you should give some access for the servicing of those lights. This particular onyx is a crystal onyx and it comes in the range of around 2000 rupees a square feet. Basically the onyx starts from 500 rupees a square feet up till 8000 rupees square feet. बट ये जो पर्टिकुलर ऑनिक्स है ये 2000 रुपीज स्क्वायर फीट में हमने लिया है। इसको अगर आपका कहीं पे अगर आपका बजट नहीं है तो यू कैन रिप्लेस दिस ऑनिक्स विथ अलाबास्टर एंड इट कम्स इन द फॉर्मेट ऑफ शीट। इट इज अराउंड 8 फीट बाय 4 फीट शीट। इट्स एन आर्टिफिशियल मटेरियल एंड इसका जो कॉस्ट है अराउंड 3000 to 4000 पर शीट आता है। सो अगर आपका बजट नहीं है तो आप ऑनिक्स की जगह पे यू कैन ऑल्सो गो फॉर अलाबास्टर। नाउ ये ऑनिक्स का एक डिसएडवांटेज ये भी है कि दिस इज अ वेरी ब्रिटल मटेरियल, सो यू हैव टू हैंडल इट विथ ऑटमोस्ट केयर। यहाँ पे अभी आप देख रहे हो तो दिस इज अ कंप्लीट वन पीस ऑनिक्स। इसको हमें लगाने में बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करना पड़ा। इसके पीछे वी हैव यूज्ड अ फाइबर शीट सो दैट ये ऑनिक्स लगाते वक्त ये पूरा गिर के इसका पूरा ब्रिटल होने की वजह से ये पूरे टुकड़े ना हो जाए। तो हमने पूरा इसके पीछे पहले तो एक तो एक्रेलिक शीट लगाया है एंड एक्रेलिक शीट पे ऑनिक्स पेस्ट करके वो हमने इसे फिक्स किया है। बाहर से आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी देर इज नॉट अ सिंगल स्टड और नॉट अ सिंगल स्क्रू। तो नाउ यू मस्ट बी वंडरिंग हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू डू द सर्विसिंग ऑफ द लाइट्स विच आर प्लेस्ड इनसाइड। सो come here, I will explain you here. Now this particular area, this is a TV panel. The TV is going to be fitted on this and then we are going to make this panel openable. So now you see these screws here. So these screws can be opened up. All the screws from the four sides can be opened up and once you open this screw there is an access to inside panels. एंड अगर यहाँ पे जो पीछे हमने T5 ट्यूब्स लगाए हैं, अगर कहीं पे कभी कुछ प्रॉब्लम आया तो यू जस्ट हैव टू रिमूव द टीवी और ओपन द टीवी शटर एंड देन रिमूव दिस एंड देन इसके अंदर का जो ट्यूब्स है वो दोनों साइड का आप आराम से निकाल सकते हो. So this is how you have to think about the servicing portion when you are going to use an onyx. So now talking about the dining table, this particular column and this dining table, this is also made up of onyx, and it can also be completely lit. You can check the view of this. This is how it is going to look after it gets completely finished. Now the light is not fixed inside. So basically what has happened was we were thinking of using onyx on the TV panel and on the column. All right. But when we order onyx, the quantity needed was around two sheet and थोड़ा सा उससे ज़्यादा लग रहा था. So we have to order 3 sheets. Now what to do with the extra sheet? Then what we thought, might as well we make this dining table in onyx. Now in this particular dining table, this is a completely lit dining table, and we have made a provision for the servicing of the lights from the bottom of the dining table, and this dining table is completely cantilever. And guys, this is the main interesting part. Okay, यहाँ पे there was a wall here. You can see this in the before pic. This was the before pic. यहाँ पे एक wall था. Now since this particular flat is a small flat and many clients nowadays wants an open kitchen, so the client also had the similar requirement, because with the open kitchen the flat looks bigger. So what we have done is we have broken this particular wall here and made this kitchen an open kitchen. So but the client's requirement was they should be able to close the kitchen whenever they want to hide the mess inside, right? If you see here in the ceiling, यहाँ पे हमने एक चैनल ट्रैक दिया है. ये ट्रैक जो है यहाँ पे देर आर गोइंग टू बी स्लाइडिंग ग्लास स्लाइडिंग शटर्स. So ये frosted glass sliding shutter आएंगे. This is the kind of the view that we are proposing here. And ये तीनों shutters जो है वो एक के पीछे एक यहाँ पे इतनी जगह में it is going to get finished. So when you pull these shutters, these are going to end till here. So whenever you want to close it, you can just pull the shutters and it is going to get closed here. Otherwise they are going to stack on one side and it will look like a glass panel on this side. Now you must be wondering, वो ठीक है वहां तक तो आपने बंद कर दिया, but what about this place? Anyway, this is going to get opened, right? But then what we are going to do is we are going to make a provision here in the ceiling
for a roller blind.
You can fix a roller blind inside the ceiling. You cut the ceiling, fit the track inside the roller blind, and then you just pull the roller blind whenever you want to close it. So till that point there is going to be the glass, and then after that there are going to be the roller blinds. So in this way, this is the open kitchen. At the same time, it's going to be a closed kitchen.